It's silky smooth going up, but when it goes down it kind of shakes like this. Not sure what the deal is. We'll do one more cycle, I guess. Here's up, and again it's smooth going up. And then I'll set the camera down so you can get an unbiased view here. And going down. I guess you can hear it more than you can see it, but up at the top when it's going down it shakes a few times, and then in the middle it seems to get caught too. I don't know what the deal is. And that dolly and the chairs aren't in the way, I already made sure of that. But yeah, I got new springs, new cables. I just cleaned everything out yesterday, so I made sure nothing was catching or anything. And there's the new opener. And that's about it.